Hi everybody, my name is Jeff White. I'm a whiskey guardian for Angel's Envy located in Tampa, Florida. Today I'm going to be making a rye tie for you using Angel's Envy rye finished in rum casks. During the summertime I get a lot of questions from people asking what's a good drink to use whiskey or bourbon with. I usually don't drink it during the summer, and the rye tie is a perfect drink for that summertime heat. It's kind of got that tiki cocktail feel, and it's something that I always like to do during the summertime. And another great one using Angel's Envy rye is a whiskey sour. You get that sweetness from the rye and the rum, balanced as well with the citrusy of the lime. And so those are two cocktails I like to make. That's why today I'm making for you a rye tie. So ingredients that you need for this: Angel's Envy rye, Angostura Bitters, Orgeat. If you're not familiar with what Orgeat is, it's a syrup made with sugar, rose water, and almonds. So it's got kind of a nutty flavor to it. It's very popular in a lot of tiki drinks. I have pineapple juice and fresh squeezed lemon juice. Tools that you need for this: a shaker, a jigger. I have a cup filled with crushed ice and a strainer. All right, so let's get to the fun part. Let's make this cocktail. So I'm going to pour 2 ounces of our Angel's Envy rye finished in rum casks. All right, add the ice to the shaker. I'm doing 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice, 3/4 of an ounce of Orgeat, 3/4 of an ounce of pineapple juice. All right, now we're going to shake it up. This is the fun part. All right, I'm going to strain it into a cup filled with crushed ice. Perfect. And then the Angostura Bitters on the top, 6 to 10 dashes. I like to do 10. And then I'm going to put on pineapple garnish, the pineapple leaf. And there you have it. That's a rye tie using Angel's Envy rye finished in rum cask. Perfect.